Hello everyone, PS from PS Invest Plays here today. Since March 2020, Sea Limited stock has risen more than 720%, and year to date, it was up 75%. But after Q3 earnings, its stock shed more than 15%. Has the stock peaked? Or can we expect higher stock price in 2021 and beyond? In this video, we will understand its business, its financials, its future growth outlook, and review its chart using Elliott Wave to see how we can make money. So, stick around. I think you'll like what I have in store for you today. Sea Limited, ticker SE. Sea Limited is a tech conglomerate headquartered in Singapore. Established in 2009, Sea Limited is a holding company for Shopee, SeaMoney, Garena, and a football club, Lion City Sailors FC, which plays in Singapore Premier League. It has over 33,000 employees. Sea Limited is a three-headed monster that combines its three businesses, Garena, Shopee, and SeaMoney, to dominate the internet in Southeast Asia. Garena is Sea's gaming and social media platform that develops mobile and PC games. Garena originally distributed third-party games in localized regions, but has expanded to develop games as well. Free Fire is a battle royale mobile game that Garena released in 2017 and was the most downloaded mobile game worldwide in 2019 and 2020. Free Fire continues to be a large success and revenue driver for Garena. Garena is also the exclusive licensee and publisher for Tencent. Some of its most popular published games include League of Legends, Call of Duty, Free Fire, FIFA Online, and Arena of Valor. Garena is Sea's most mature business segment and generated $1 billion in revenue for the second quarter of 2021, making up approximately 44% of the company's total revenue. Revenues for Garena increased by 167% year over year, which was due to the success of Free Fire as it hit over 1 billion downloads. Free Fire was again the highest grossing mobile game in Southeast Asia, Latin America, and India this past quarter. Garena's gross profit margin was 71% last quarter, an increase from its 59% gross profit margin in Q2 of 2020. Garena generated $740 million in adjusted EBITDA in Q2 of 2021 and is converting free users to paid users faster than it's acquiring them. Garena continues to attract more gamers and developers while this segment of Sea is already a cash cow and generating strong top-line growth. The social-first e-commerce platform, Shopee, caters to the specific regions where it operates and tailors the platform for each user. The app makes it easy for buyers to get real-time communication through a chat feature and offers logistics integration to get the best prices. Shopee also offers a one-stop shop for its sellers by seamlessly organizing orders and measuring performance through its sellers center. It gives sellers access to management tools such as order tracking, targeted promotions, and other marketing campaigns thanks to accessible SKU-level data. As Shopee continues to attract more consumers to the platform, this attracts more sellers, which increases the variety of SKU-level data collected by Shopee. Shopee offers a wide range of products ranging from household appliances, beauty products, and fashion to toys and devices. Shopee is the most visited e-commerce site in Southeast Asia and Sea is expanding Shopee to fast-growing e-commerce markets around the world. As Shopee continues to expand into new regions, it's acquiring more sellers to its platform, while collecting more SKUs and understanding more consumers in new geographies. These small ticket items give Sea insights to data that's typically highly fragmented amongst many sellers and data from much smaller purchases. By distributing smaller ticket items, it enables Sea to effectively roll out Shopee in regions new to e-commerce and sell a wide range of products while Sea doesn't need to take much inventory risk. In Q3 2021, Sea expanded Shopee to 3 European countries and is already gaining momentum in these markets, as Shopee is a top downloaded app in Spain and France. Sea Limited is looking to further expand into European markets as well as India, as Sea looks to partner with local sellers to use Shopee's platform. Sea is planning to leverage the success of Garena, especially Free Fire, to tailor Shopee to its new markets, while Garena's already successfully launched and has a strong presence. Sea was strategic in deploying Shopee in Southeast Asia because the regions within these markets are highly differentiated, as they can use local currencies and have different cultures. For example, in countries like Indonesia and Malaysia, Shopee offers a category dedicated to their products. By localizing Shopee in new regions that are experiencing e-commerce growth, Shopee should capture market share as it implements its strategy of selling long-tail products. SeaMoney represents a huge long-term opportunity for Sea to offer financial services and utilize embedded finance to make the most of its digital entertainment and e-commerce platforms. Because of Garena's success as a leading entertainment platform, as well as the expansion of Shopee, Sea can understand a wide range of consumer preferences within specific regions and provide them with tailored financial services. For example, Sea uses Free Fire as a platform to advertise for Shopee to attract more consumers to Sea's ecosystem. Since Sea has access to a wide variety of SKUs and operates a social media platform through Garena, it better understands its players and offers targeted advertising for sellers. Like how Sea tailors its offering to each specific market, SeaMoney tailors financial services to the needs of a consumer and their cultural expectations, which also benefits Shopee sellers. Sea now offers BNPL, Buy Now, Pay Later solutions to Shopee customers in the Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia. BNPL could disrupt the consumer credit ecosystem as companies like Sea have access to a lot of consumer data as well as operate a large e-commerce platform. Since Sea has its financial branch, SeaMoney, it now controls the flow of funds as well as the data accessible at a transaction when consumers use SeaMoney at Shopee's point of sale. Sea is planning to embed financial products into Shopee as well as Garena, which will drive synergies for the entire Sea ecosystem, as targeted and localized marketing should drive revenue for Shopee and SeaMoney. All these offerings allow Sea to create a super app which integrates with one bank's account, insurance, or other applications like its food delivery service. Southeast Asia is underbanked, and SeaMoney is well positioned to offer banking products in this region as well as others where Shopee and Garena are already thriving. Southeast Asia's financial system is highly fragmented as the development of its financial infrastructure varies from country to country, with different regulations. Sea generated $6.8 billion in total revenue, 128.6% year-over-year growth. Sea recently released guidance for 2021 and is projecting $4.6 billion revenue in digital entertainment bookings, for a 44% year-over-year growth, and $4.8 billion in e-commerce revenue, which represents 122% year-over-year growth. It is clear that Shopee is experiencing hypergrowth. while Garena's growth is slowing, but it is a cash flow driver. In future, I expect Garena's growth to slow, but Shopee's accelerated growth over the next 3 to 5 years should continue to accelerate Sea's revenues. There are few risks for Sea Limited. If Sea is too dependent on Garena to fuel growth of its other segments, it could be difficult to fuel Sea's next leg of international expansion. Sea will need to start generating positive cash flow in Southeast Asia. It is even more important considering that it will be expensive for Sea to compete globally with large international players like Amazon and Alibaba. Sea faces a threat from other large global players such as Amazon and Meli. Sea is expanding to countries within Latin America, which is Meli's home turf. Shopee is a top app in Southeast Asia, and now Sea Limited will face competition in this region from players such as Coupang Go2. Sea will face competition from Amazon as well, as they both look to expand to Europe, as well as local European companies such as Allegro, a Polish e-commerce website. Sea will be faced with competition from multiple angles, whether it's current markets or future ones. Sea will depend on the moat it is creating amongst sellers and consumers to capture market share in new locations while retaining its market share in its current markets. Looking at the financials for Sea, revenue, gross profit, EBITDA, net income, EPS or earnings per share are increasing considerably. In fact, they are excellent. In the chart on the right, free cash flow FCF currently stands at 92 cents per share. Based on the current price to FCF ratio, the stock price is increasing in tandem with increasing free cash flow. Bottom line, it doesn't seem to be expensive. Finally, Sea is turning into an international powerhouse that's capitalizing on 3 business segments: fintech, e-commerce, and digital entertainment. These 3 segments are experiencing massive tailwinds and are highly attractive industries, especially since Sea can connect these business segments to create digital experiences that seamlessly integrate internet applications. Also, Shopee's growth is fueling Sea's next segment of elevated revenue growth and should continue as it expands internationally. After Shopee, SeaMoney is Sea's most intriguing future revenue stream, as Sea will leverage its relationships with users, consumers, developers, and sellers within its ecosystem. Sea is well positioned as its moat continues to strengthen as its ecosystem expands. After reporting Q3 2021 earnings, its stock has shared 15%. I think it is a knee-jerk reaction, as I believe that Sea is one of the smartest places to invest money today, even after the strong run-up. This is also indicative in the charts, where I see the stock price to increase considerably in the next 3 to 4 years. Now, let's take a look at the chart for Sea Limited. Sorry for the interruption, but I wanted to take a moment to remind you that if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell icon so you're notified when I upload a new video. With that said, let's get back to our analysis. Looking at the chart for Sea, the bull run that started in 2018 is still not over. It has completed its first 4 waves, and currently wave 5 is in progress. If we look deeper in primary wave 5, we can clearly see that it has completed intermediate waves 1 and 2, and wave 3 is in progress. Within wave 3, you might encounter some swings due to market volatility and after Q3 earnings report, bringing the price down. I see strong resistance around $308.14 and strong support around $278.33. To me, this is an accumulate range for Sea Limited. After wave 3 is completed, I expect a pullback, which should be wave 4 pullback, and wave 4 is typically 23.6% retracement of wave 3, bringing the price down to $377.49. After this retracement is completed, I expect the final leg up, which is wave 5, to resume. Wave 5 is typically 61.8% of waves 1 to 3, giving us a final price target of $528.09, which translates into 82% profit in the next 3 to 4 years. Now, let's summarize. The current pullback is an excellent entry point for Sea Limited. Nibble any pullbacks and accumulate corrections. As I said earlier, within wave 3, you might encounter some swings due to market volatility. I see strong resistance around $308.14 and strong support around $278.33. To me, this is the accumulate range for Sea Limited, and I recommend holding it for the next 3 to 4 years, as I see a price target of $528.09, which represents 82% profit in the next 3 to 4 years. What do you think of this analysis? Please leave me a comment and let me know. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell icon so you're notified when I upload a new video. Until then, bye-bye.